Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Got a new pair of springs in here. These are gonna balance beautiful. Let me show you the old ones, some hamburgers put on here. This is a hollow metal door. Anyone in the industry knows what that green means. And I don't even know who's stocking this, but it's a 243, okay, 28 inches. It's like a 40 pull. And then you got a 218, 22. This is like a 74 pull they got on this hollow metal door with a cable gone. So we're putting on new cables, the correct springs on a hollow metal door, okay? New cable. Got another cable on there and springs. All your garage door needs, call the pros. Innovative, 630-271-9343. Thanks for watching our shorts video. And as always, we encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching. Get your springs fixed today.